Hello guys and welcome back to a new video. We are off to Magic Kingdom. Well, I'm off before work. Emma's not got work today. It is 20 past 10. We went to Social Security this morning to get our Social Security numbers. So that was fun. But yeah, we're going to Magic Kingdom. I start work at 5:30. So we've made it to Magic Kingdom. Woohoo! It's 10 to 11. We're gonna get the monorail this time because last time we got the ferry boat. The sun's in at the moment. There's a bit of a breeze. I'll take it. It looks actually quite busy getting into the parks, but we're gonna get the monorail, like I said, instead of the ferry boat this time, but going through security, so see you in a bit. Guys, this is a pivotal moment because I'm wearing Crocs for the first time at Disney Park because my work shoes are in this bag and I didn't want to wear them, so I was wearing my Crocs. Also, look at Emma's outfit of the day. How cute. Love it. She's got a Casey's Corner top on. I'm just wearing this top from Skinny Dip and shorts and ears and Loungefly. Nothing too themed, nothing too exciting. But I didn't want to walk into work in the themed outfit, especially because I don't work at Disney. Major odds. We're going on the monorail, but we're going the resort way round. But there's no queue for the resort monorail loop, so we're gonna see. Sure, we think it stops at Magic. If not, then why? Yeah, it has to surely. Oh, we'll see. But we'll make it there probably in good time anyway. Right, new life hack, finesse the system. If there's a massive queue for the monorail to Magic Kingdom and a massive queue for the ferry boat, go on the resort monorail and then just stop at the resorts on your way around and you got here. I think we got here a lot quicker than we would have if we queued. So yeah, it is now 11:15 and we are right at the entrance, and obviously I think we're gonna go to the annual pass holder entrance because it's quite busy actually getting in today, but Festival of Fantasy starts at 12.
Swipe over to your next one. Okay?
Yay!
Swipe over and hold it up here.
Yay! We love to see it. Guys, Mickey's either Magical Friendship Fair, Royal Friendship Fair, I can't remember what they've called it now, the 50th over, but it's on! It's on! We're going!
You see, I know there's someone you always want to meet from the land of the Mystic Mountains.
Oh, Mickey, could it be?
Let it go, let it go, and I'll rise like the break of dawn.
Mickey, I loved it. I think today might be the best day ever.
Oh gosh, Mia, every day with you is the best day ever.
I love them.
Friends are coming back for the celebration.
Woo! The best.
And Louis.
Woohoo! To believe. It's a friendship yet to unfold. We will celebrate where the magic feels like home. That's right, where the magic feels like home. We just caught the end of Mickey's Magical Friendship Fair. It was a good time. It was magical. It was a very good time. I love that show, of course. But I think what we're gonna do now is we're gonna go head over to Fantasyland, get a Loews brew, and then we're gonna go and get a spot for Festival of Fantasy in Frontierland. And then we'll see where the rest of the day takes us. But I'm excited to try Loews brew because I was gonna get it last time, but then Gaston's Tavern shut because of Mickey's Not So Scary, and I was very upset. So here we go. I'm excited. Oh, don't get me wrong, I really liked the 50th little castle revamp, but the OG castle, just there's something about it.
It's more vibrant now.
Yeah, it definitely is.
Before it kind of looked a bit washed out.
Yeah, they pretty sure they repainted it before they put, before they put the 50th stuff on. But yeah, because it used to be light blue. It did. It is frozen Minute Maid apple juice with a hint of toasted marshmallow topped with fruit flavoured foam. I'm so excited. Loews brew acquired. It is so good. 6.29. So good. She got the grey stuff. And there also seems to have been a little bit of a downpour. Oh, it's stopped now. How convenient. That is a hefty cupcake. It looks good though. Do you want some? Look at that, girls. We love to see it. She's just feeding the birds. It's about 12 now. It's just started raining. But Festival of Fantasy is supposed to start now. But low-key hoping they do the rainy day parade because it's only spitting a little bit, and how fun would that be? Festival of Fantasy is delayed, however, Taylor Swift has just announced international tour dates, everyone. Just gonna call, oh my god. 21st, 22nd of June. And she's in Liverpool. Got our spot for Festival of Fantasy. It is, what's the time? Like 12:33. The floor is starting to dry up, but we're right at the front next to Splash. So, hopefully soon. Finally, what's the time? Oh, I'm so excited, guys!
From near and far, welcome to the Magic Kingdom.
Away we go, Festival of Fantasy, certain as the sun. It's a festival of fantasy. What do they got? You look amazing, Wendy. Thank you. You look so good. The wonderful thoughts. Any merry little thoughts. At least she didn't set herself on fire. Who's the leader of the club that's made for you and me? M-I-C-K-E-Y M-O-U-S-C M-O-U-S-C Dono! Jason! Woo! Yes, Dono! Chip, we're sorry. We love you more. Hey, Pluto! Wondrous, dazzling, brilliantly, so away we go. It's a festival of fantasy. We're trying to get a virtual queue for Tron before I start work. Keep going, just keep refreshing, yeah. Go! Go, 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 go. Did you get a group?
111, it's currently only boarding up to 61.
You never. Emma got her Casey's in her Casey's merch. Love that. We did get a Tron virtual queue, however it says estimated callback time 6:24. My shift starts at 5:30. Oh no. But it's fine, we've got time to do it another time. But Charlotte and Emma will get to go on Tron today. Where the magic is fuming. But yeah, it's like 1:30. Yeah. We found a rabbit.
I bet someone could draw that rabbit. That's crazy.
a hot dog. It was a good time. Did you enjoy your hot dog?
I did. Casey's Slay.
Casey's Slay. We're going over to Cosmic Rays. Me and Charlotte have ordered food, and then I've got like a few hours left, so hopefully we'll get some more stuff done. But I am parched. I need a drink. I need a bev. We're in Cosmic Rays, but the grind has already started for these Taylor Swift tickets. Look, I'm in the queue to register. So we're live, laugh, loving. Kids meal with 2 sides and a drink. Getting me belly.
Welcome back to Emma Cam. Slay, 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 slay the day away. So I think we're going to go on People Mover, and I need new eyelashes. Slay.
Finished at Cosmic Rays. It was a good time. I don't know, I feel so full. I didn't even eat all my kids' meal. But we moved. It was a good time. We're going over to the People Mover. Yeah, it looked good actually. Slay. Bacon slay. But yeah, we're gonna go over to the People Mover. I've got about, what's the time? About an hour and a half. Yeah, about an hour and a half, and then I will be departing. So I don't think I'm gonna get on Tron today. But all is well, because it gives me something to look forward to another day. It's absolutely chugging it down. This is the workout of workouts walking up here, but oh my gosh, it's absolutely chucking it down, and we've just got through. Great timing from us. You can't really see the rain, but it's chucking it down. Oh, I'm gonna get a wet bum.
For your safety, if you have wings, jetpacks, or gravity polarizers, please do not take flight while on board.
I still can't believe it's actually open.
To your right is the Astro Orbiter, our celestial symbol of interplanetary harmony and fellowship. Hop aboard and launch high above Tomorrowland for a spin amongst the planets. This show.
We finessed the People Mover, and now we're gonna go on a journey under the seas with the Little Mermaid before I have to leave for work. Everyone say boo, boo. Sad times. But it says it's a 35-minute wait. It is currently 10 past, nearly quarter past. So that's the plan. It started to rain again. Little Mermaid says 40 minutes. It looks longer, and I don't want to risk that. So we're gonna go do Filler Magic because it's a 10-minute wait, and then I'll probably have to go. Guys, the rainy day parade is on. We were just in the queue to meet the stepsisters, but we're running. Yes, get in, mum. How exciting! I'm so excited. Look how cute their little raincoats are. I love it. Yay! Yes! Yes, Daisy! Hey, Minnie! Yeah. Singing in the rain. Hey, Rapunzel! Hello! Oh, guys! Did we enjoy? We did. We did.
Oh my God. Why is Peter Pan always flying around? Why? Because he can never land.
Great timing.
Hey! What? How do the Aristocats like their steak? How? Medium? Rare. Well done.
It's giving Festival of the Lion King yesterday. don't do this to me because it's not a thing here anymore. Because I will cry.
Even though the sound of it is something quite atrocious. If you say it loud enough, you'll always sound precocious. Supercalifragilisticexpialidocious.
I've just left. It's 3:58. I've got to go to work, so I'm gonna get an Uber from Tickets and Transportation over to Royal Pacific for my shift. So that's the plan now. I had a really successful day actually. Thoroughly enjoyed myself, but yeah, we got lots done. It was a good time, but yeah, I've got work now. So the others have gone. They're gonna go on Tron and have the best virtual queue ever. But it moved to 5 and I'm leaving now because of work. But hopefully I'll get to come back and do it another day. So yeah, that's what I'm doing now. Monorail, here I come. Ticket and Transportation Centre, and I'm gonna order a Lyft or an Uber, whatever's cheapest, to work now. So I'm gonna end the vlog here. So be sure to subscribe so you don't miss anything, because next week there'll be another vlog, very exciting, coming. So you do not want to miss that. Give it a big thumbs up if you enjoyed, because it makes me feel good. I love it when you like the video. I will see you guys next week. Thank you so much for watching, and yeah, bye.